In this video, you are going to see how to install Adobe Creative Cloud on any MacBook. Follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video so that you do not encounter any errors while doing this. First, go to the website. It's called Adobe Creative Cloud Download. After that, you can directly click on the Download Creative Cloud button. It will automatically start downloading the package file to your MacBook. After that, open it and double tap on the .dmg format file to install the Creative Cloud application. A new window will be open and ask for permissions. We need to give all the permissions here. After that, this is how it opens. Of course, you need to enter the passcode to install this for security reasons. Then it asks you to sign in to the Creative Cloud. Even if you're not a premium customer, meaning you haven't used Creative Cloud applications before, you can still log in and you can do the payment later if you want. Once you log in, it asks whether you want to start installing or not. Click on install. Now, based on the internet connection you have, it may take a few minutes or even hours to install this application. Once it starts downloading, it automatically installs and opens the Creative Cloud app. Now you can go to the apps section and download whichever apps you want to try. That's it. This is how you can install Adobe Creative Cloud on any MacBook without any errors. Don't forget to like and share this video so that you are also joining hands in helping others. Also, I have enabled super thanks, so if you want to appreciate the effort, feel free to click on it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.